Strawberry plants for a quarter? Sign me up. Hi gardeners, today's video is all about bare root strawberries. Bare root strawberries are just strawberry plants sold without any dirt and sold generally at a discount for what you would pay for potted strawberry plants. There are a couple benefits to bare root strawberries over potted strawberries. The first is price. It's late in the season, so they were on sale. Early in the spring, I might have paid $10 for a 25 pack, but this one was $6 for 25 plants. The other benefit I found to bare root strawberries is I've been able to find varieties that I have not been able to find as potted plants. And you can find bare root strawberries on online marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. You can really get a lot of different varieties if you look into it. These bare root plants are ever sweet. I have some Hanoi on order. I have some Eclair, some Quinault, some Ozark Beauty, some Fort Laramie here in the strawberry patch. But it's time to add these bare root ever sweet. Step one for planting bare root strawberries is to prep your planting bed. It's good to know where you're going to be planting your strawberries before you actually get the package of bare roots in your hand. You can plant bare root strawberries in the ground in a strawberry patch like this. You can plant them in a raised bed. You can even plant them in small containers. A few months ago, I planted a strawberry pot with a bunch of bare root strawberries, and they're growing really well in there. It was fun to plant. To plant a bare root strawberry in a pot, I wouldn't go any smaller than maybe a 4-inch wide planter pot. So look for something that's 4 inches or wider if you're going to plant your bare roots in pots. Strawberries grow really well in a rich soil, something with lots of composted organic matter that provides lots of nutrients to the strawberries, but it also needs to drain well. So to get this balance of nutrient-rich soil, but that also drains well, I love homemade compost. Have some homemade compost, or you want to buy some compost just to enrich your soil, that can really help your strawberry plants. The next step is to unwrap these bare root strawberries. So these ones are actually pretty far along. Don't be surprised if yours don't have leaves like that. It's actually better to get them in the ground in early spring or the early fall. That's the best time to plant bare root strawberries. These strawberries have definitely been in the bag too long. Let's get them out and get them hydrated. It feels like these bare root strawberries have been watered, and that's excellent. Sometimes you'll receive them and they're super dry, but whether or not they're really dry or they have been watered at the nursery or wherever you've ordered them from, it's great to get them into water first. Let's separate out each strawberry plant's roots, and then we can soak them in some clean water just to make sure they're very hydrated before they go in the ground. So I've let these bare root strawberries soak for about half an hour. I think if they're really dry and crispy inside the package, maybe more like 1 or 2 hours to let them soak. But these ones are fairly moist in there already. The roots look nice and bendy and ready to plant. The other thing I did was I trimmed off a couple flowers. Usually the bare roots that I buy haven't flowered yet, but these ones had a few little flowers, and I want the plants to really focus on their roots. So if you buy bare root plants and they already have flowers on them, or if they have flowers within a few weeks after planting them, you may want to consider just trimming those off. Just their plants concentrate on getting those roots established, then you can let them flower all you want. Cutting up the flowers, obviously those flowers won't be turning into strawberries. If you're planting a June-bearing variety in the spring and then you're cutting off the flowers, that means you probably won't get strawberries that first year. But if you're planting an ever-bearing variety like this one, Ever Sweet, you'll miss that first batch of strawberries, but you will get some later on towards the fall. Planting your bare root strawberries in the fall, you can expect a crop the following spring. Now we've got nice hydrated bare root strawberries. We have this planting bed with some compost, drains well, it's in a sunny spot. Let's get to planting these bare root strawberries. One of the most important things about planting bare root strawberries is to plant them at the right depth. So this is a single bare root strawberry plant. You can see it has the root section here that almost looks like a little skirt, and the stems and the leaves up here. And then between the stems and the roots is this little collar section right there, and that's called the crown. The important part about burying strawberries is not to bury the crown. We want that to be at or above the soil line. The crown on a strawberry plant is usually about 1 inch tall. It almost looks like one of those brown paper cupcake wrappings, or as if it's made of tissue paper or something. So we want to make sure we can see that above the soil line. So right where the roots go into the crown, that'll be below the soil, but most of this crown should be right above the soil. We don't want it to rot. So we want it to be above the soil where water can drain away from it and the stems can come out of it nicely. So my goal with each bare root strawberry is to dig kind of a wide hole, but not terribly deep. Spread the roots out and make sure that they each have their own little bits of soil that they can go into to establish themselves, search out nutrients, and support the plant in the soil. I'm going to spread out the roots of this bare root strawberry. I want them going down a little bit for sure, but I mostly want them going out like that. You can even place a little cone right under the middle if you like, or you can just hold it and backfill down into the plant as you put the soil around it. Here's another bare root strawberry. And spread out these roots. Tuck a little bit under the center, under the crown there. Get the roots all going out in different directions out from the center of the plant. Hold the crown because I want to make sure it's not buried. I find if I hold the crown while I plant it, then I'm less likely to bury it by accident. These bare root strawberries are in the ground. Next, I'm gonna give them a really thorough watering and then mulch. I use straw to mulch my strawberry patch, but there are some other options you can use for mulch as well. If you check out my main video about growing strawberries, which I'll link right here, it has all the details about different kinds of mulch you can grow, fertilizer for your strawberries, all the things that can help your strawberries grow the most delicious, tasty berries. So be sure to check out that video, my main strawberry growing video, and that'll give you all the information that you need to get these baby bare root strawberries up into big, healthy plants, making all the strawberries you could possibly want. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garden. That is a good price.